to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. And again, thank you so much for being here. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. We always do fun unboxings, hauls, review videos, all kinds of great stuff. So we would definitely love to have you here. Again, thank you to everyone who has already subscribed. It means so much to me. But as you can see from the description, today we are doing our October 2018 EarFleek. So I am super excited. This is actually one of the cheapest subscriptions you guys can get. It is $3.49 a month. I have a code that I will link below that you can use to get your first month for $1.75. They send you a pair of earrings every month. They are nickel free, so if you have sensitive ears, as I do, they will not irritate your ears. I have been getting this for quite a few months and have not had any issues with any of the earrings I have received. They do have three or four different types of earrings you can choose from. You can do minimalist but groovy, simple and fun. Simple and fun, and I could be off on the name, but the simple and fun can be, or silly and fun, you know, little pineapple studs or pieces of pizza. The minimalist but groovy can be, you know, just a simple little stud with a tiny little dangle. And there's Boho Babe, which is the one I received that usually is, you know, a little bit bigger dangle. And then I think you can do Surprise Me. I like the Boho Babe. I have yet to be disappointed with any of the earrings I have received. So we are going to dive in here and see what I got for October 2018. And I love the quote that is on the back of every envelope. It says, "A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous." And that is from Coco Chanel. So, yes. All right. Ooh, it's like super sticky. It's sticking to my finger. Okay. And it always comes with the same cute card that says, "Hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings styled just for you." So it's the same card every month. Super cute. And they definitely do take good care of their earrings. They are always bubble wrapped and then inside a little plastic bag. These look super cute. Let's see here. Get them out of the bag. All right. These are so cute. So these definitely are dangle. The only thing, okay, let me show them to you first. So they are super cute dangle. They've got like a little wooden bead or disc. The only thing, all of their earrings are always connected with this little tube, which is great. The only thing is there are no backs, and these are clearly, I think, let me take a look here. Yeah, they definitely need backs, which I have plenty of backs, so that's not a problem. So we'll just slide them in for now to see. This is what they look like. I think these are so cute. Those are fun. I love them. That's why I love the Boho Babe, because it's always something that, you know, dangles and is fun and just, I don't know. I just love the dangle and I think they are super cute. So yet again, EarFleek has definitely hit the nail on the head and sent a beautiful pair of earrings, and I love them. And like I said, if you guys would like to sign up, I will put a link to their website down below, as well as a coupon code to get you 50% off your first month, so $1.75. And then even after that, at $3.49 a month, you can't beat it. I mean, the earrings are absolutely beautiful, and it's just, it's well worth it to me. I mean, more than worth it. I would pay more than $3.49 for these earrings, or any of the earrings I have received from EarFleek at any point. I mean, they're just so cute. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day. I know this was pretty short and sweet, but that's how it is with EarFleek. So I hope you guys, again, have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.